Hi friends, welcome to A to Z Learning channel. Today we are going to be dealing with a topic that is bothering number of retail investors in the market. Number of you must be wondering that if you deal in option trading, you must be wondering why option premium is so low. Why option premium are not changing in spite of price changing a bit. All the stock prices you find are moving in a very close range. You will also be saying that, gosh, there has not been proper correction or proper upswing in the market lately. It's always 0.5% up or 0.5% down or few points here and there. It's not properly corrected or it's not properly surged lately, which means you haven't had the opportunity to buy or sell your stocks. Or you must be wondering that looks like maybe school holiday, and as the pandemic is easing in India, a lot of people have gone to the hills for their holidays, so there are no buyers or sellers in the market. So the question that is coming in everybody's mind is why the stock market is so dull. There is hardly any opportunity. You spend all day. Most traders, most retail investors are looking at the screen all day, but are really struggling to find good deal to take position in. So what is happening in the market? So this video is all about helping you understand what is happening in the market so that you better understand why the stock market is so lackluster, so dull currently. As I said, it's going to be a short video, so therefore we're going to describe it in a very simple manner and in three key points. In our view, there are three key factors that are playing in the market right now, resulting into market being lackluster, market being in the range bound, market being not providing enough opportunities to the buyers and the sellers. The first main factor is India VIX. India VIX represents the volatility index. Volatility index basically indicates how volatile the market is. Typically, more volatile the market is, there are more opportunities for people to buy and sell and take positions. Typically, any VIX level, the volatility index level of less than 15 is seen. A market is dull, market is going to be range bound, market is going to be not really moving forward in one way or other. Means volatility is rock bottom. Currently, our India VIX is at less than 13. It's somewhere between 12.6 to 12.8. So less than 13 is significantly lower than the benchmark of 15 VIX level. So that is the one main reason which is not really creating enough opportunities in the market for people to take position. What is the second reason? In my humble view, I feel that number of IPOs that are hitting in the market are also playing their part in taking the liquidity out from the market. Usually retail investors have got certain set of money, which if there are no IPO, they use that money to take positions in the secondary market by buying or selling the stocks that they are interested in. With the IPO season on, the number of IPOs were in the market for subscription last month. There are 5 IPOs planned for July as well. And these are of different sizes. So if I take the example of the 2 IPOs which were there in the market for subscription last week, Clean Sciences and GR Infra project. GR Infra project was roughly about 900 crore and it oversubscribed by 100 times. So pretty much retail investors and other investors put in bids for 90,000 crore for infra project, 90,000 crore. And at the same time, there was another IPO open called Clean Sciences, which was roughly about 1500 crore IPO. It oversubscribed by 93 times. So roughly 140,000 crores, so 1.4 lakh crores of money, which was used to bid for shares of clean sciences. So overall, just these two offers, these two IPOs last week sucked in liquidity of over 2 lakh crore, which is a significant sum of money. If a significant sum of money or money of this magnitude is parked in, even if it is parked for a week or 10 days until people know whether they have been allotted these shares or not, that money otherwise would have been most likely used for taking position in the secondary market. So that level of liquidity has come out of secondary market to be used for applying under these IPOs. So that's, in my view, is the second main reason markets are looking so dull, so lackluster. And the story doesn't end. I've given the example of two IPOs, but this week, as you know, Zomato IPO is opening up. Then Tatwa is coming next week, starting this Friday, and then will remain open for next week as well. So the overall there are 5 IPOs which will hit the market in this month. Then there are few plans for later in the year as well, like Paytm, LIC, and you name it. So this year, for at least next few months, it looks like IPO will continue to put pressure on the overall liquidity that is available in the market to drive the secondary market. The third thing I feel is July is the month when people start to come up with the latest quarterly results. So Q1 results, Q1 of new financial year results are have started to come in July, and a lot of people take a back seat during this time. They want to kind of see the results of first few companies before they take the position in the sectors and the segment that they are tracking. For example, TCS, on the back of TCS result, there was little dullness in the IT sector, but today, on the back of Mindtree's result and anticipated good results of Infosys, IT sector was surging like anything today. So I feel that because the results season is on and these are early days of the new quarterly results, a lot of people are taking a considerate view in terms of whether they should take position or not. So that is also holding up people from taking positions in the market. So collectively, when you put these three factors together, whether it's volatility, low volatility index level, number of IPOs hitting the market, and lot of and garnering huge amount of retail investors interest, and the result season of new quarter results is all put together is causing some uncertainty in the market. Therefore, the market doesn't have the usual fanciness, usual kind of upside and downside that you typically see. And therefore, as an investor, as a participant in the market, you're feeling probably markets are really, really dull. So I hope this short video has been helpful for you to understand what is happening in the market. If you agree with our views on this video, then please let us know through the comments and press the like button. If you have alternative views about the market position, market situation, then also we would love to kind of hear what do you think and what is your interpretation narrative around the market's current position. So we look forward to those alternative suggestions or comments that you may have through your comments on this video. So thank you so much for watching our video and good luck with your investment decisions.